Is it possible to recover lost WhatsApp call history from a backup?
Hello there. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic. Is it possible to recover lost WhatsApp call history from a backup? The answer, quite simply, is yes, it's possible. If you have backed up your WhatsApp data before losing the call history, you can restore it.
What does WhatsApp backup include?
WhatsApp Backup is a powerful feature that allows users to preserve their messages, media, and call logs among other data. It ensures that even when you lose data on your device for any reason, accidental deletion, factory reset, or switching phones, you can get it back.
How to back up WhatsApp call history?
To make sure your WhatsApp call history is safe, you need to back up your data regularly. This is how you do it. On Android, go to WhatsApp, click on the menu button, 3 dots, greater than, settings, greater than, chats. Select Chat Backup, and then Backup to Google Drive. Choose the frequency of your backups. On iPhone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, greater than, Chats. Click on Chat Backup, then Backup Now. You can also enable Auto Backup for automatic backups. Remember, the backup process requires an internet connection and may consume data.
How to restore WhatsApp call history?
Once you've backed up your WhatsApp data, you can easily restore your call history. Here's how. On Android, reinstall WhatsApp and verify your phone number. After verification, you'll see a prompt to restore your chat history from Google Drive. Hit Restore, and your call history along with chats and other data will be restored. On iPhone, after reinstalling WhatsApp, verify your phone number. You'll be prompted to restore your chat history from iCloud. Click Restore Chat History, and your call logs, along with chats and other data, will be retrieved. Note: restoring from a backup will replace your current chat history with the one in the backup. And there you have it. Recovering your lost WhatsApp call history is as simple as that, provided you've backed up your data. So, don't forget to keep your WhatsApp data safe by setting up regular backups. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.